before. What's up, y'all? So the first thing we're going to do is shape it up. We're going to shape the hairline up. And then we're going to take the hair down, take it down. Then use weave glue on the skin. You can put a protective layer before or not. It's safe. And just put glue everywhere that the person is receding. Next, what we're going to do is lay that Marley hair. Put a little bit of pressure. Don't hurt your client's scalp. And just fill it in everywhere you just put the glue. Press down. And voila. Voila. Then we're going to take that hair down that we just laid. Be gentle. Don't dig in too hard. That's me in the background. You know what I'm saying? Taking the head down. Take it down. This is where the artistry comes in as a barber. You're just trying to make it look real and perfect to the eye. So here's where your barber eye has to come out. You shape it up. Don't take it down too much. Just make the hairline as perfect as possible with that natural look. You don't want the hairline too perfect because then it would look fake. Keep it as natural as you can by allowing the scalp to still show. You don't want to make the hairline too dark and too perfect. See how it is in the left-hand corner? You can still see scalp. Perfection. This client wanted his hair to be a little bit on the higher side, but you can definitely take the hair low, like wavelength. The before, and this is the after.
Carrington, the celebrity barber.